Copilot Data. In this chapter, we're going to cover one of the most powerful features of Copilot, its ability to answer questions directly from your Word document. Whether you're working on a long report or managing a complex document, this feature allows you to quickly retrieve specific information without endlessly scrolling through pages. By the end of this video, you'll see how Copilot can instantly find answers and even navigate you to the right sections of your document. Be sure to subscribe and grab the written guide linked in the description so you can follow along as we go through this tutorial. Let's jump in. Imagine you have just finished writing a 30-page report on your company's Q3 marketing performance. You have covered social media platform analysis, engagement matrix, revenue data, and strategy update. Now, someone from your team asks, what's the total revenue generated by our Q3 campaigns? Instead of manually searching through the report, you can use Copilot to instantly find the answer. Let's see how this works. First, open your Word document where the relevant information is stored. In this case, let's say we want to look for the total number of views from the entire report across all the different social media platforms. Here's what you can do. Click on the Copilot icon in the Word toolbar. In the Copilot command box, type your question. For example, what is the total views across all social media platforms? Copilot will now search through your documents to find the relevant information. It might provide the answer directly, such as in this case, it summarizes all the data into point form, so it's very easy for you to understand. But that's not all. Copilot gives you two options at this point. First, you can copy the answer directly for immediate use. Let's say in this case, if your manager asks you what is the total views across all the different social media platforms, you can simply copy this information and send it over to your manager. And the second option is that you can jump to a specific section in the document where this information is mentioned. If you want to fact check if this information is accurate, you can click on this icon and it will direct you to the exact location where this information is extracted from. With this feature, you can navigate to any relevant section that you want to find. Let's say you need to review more context around a certain specific campaign. Copilot will allow you to click a link that takes you straight to the section of the report where the data is mentioned. This feature is particularly useful when you need to fact check, add more detail, or present the full context in a meeting or email. For example, let's say we want to find the data related to influencer campaign. Copilot will navigate you directly to that part of the document. This saves you from scrolling through 30 pages of content trying to locate it manually. So here's a quick pro tip. You're not limited to basic questions either. You can ask Copilot for more specific information, such as what is the engagement rate for Instagram in Q3? How much was spent on Facebook ads in September? Copilot will search the document and extract the exact details, allowing you to copy them or navigate to the relevant section for further review. Another powerful way to use this feature is to ask Copilot to summarize specific sections of your document. For example, if your team wants a quick overview of your platform performance breakdown, you can ask the Copilot to summarize the section for us. Copilot will pull out the key points, giving you a quick summary that you can use in meetings, emails, or presentations. You can see from this example that it will summarize all the key performance breakdown into very simple point forms, which is really easy for you to understand at one glance. It is also able to list down all the references so that you can fact check if this information are actually in fact accurate. This feature is a huge time saver, especially when working on large or complex documents. Instead of wasting time manually searching for data, key insights, or specific sections, you can just ask Copilot to find it for you. Whether you are reviewing financials, performance metrics, or engagement rates, Copilot ensures you get the information you need in seconds. This is particularly helpful for long reports, business proposals, or detailed project plans where finding a single piece of information could take a while without Copilot. So now let's take it a step further. You can also use Copilot for more advanced questions. For example, deadlines or specific dates mentioned in the document. For example, what is the deadline for a Q4 marketing campaign, or when is the next project review? Copilot will scan the document for any deadlines or due dates and provide you with the exact information along with the option to navigate to those sections. While this feature is incredibly powerful, there are a few limitations to be aware of. Copilot relies on structured information. If the information in your document is unorganized or inconsistent, Copilot might not be able to find it as effectively. Context matters. Copilot answers based on the content available, so make sure your document is detailed and clear to get the best result. Despite these small limitations, the ability to instantly retrieve data from large documents is a game changer for anyone working with complex reports or proposals. And that's how you can use Copilot to ask questions and instantly find answers in your Word documents. Whether you are looking for revenue figures, engagement metrics, deadlines, or even summaries, these features makes navigating long documents a breeze. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to revise and improve your edits with Copilot to ensure your document is polished and professional without the hassle of manual revisions. This is a game changer for anyone working on reports, proposals, or presentations, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.